Doorbell news, Crime Watch, Atlanta, Georgia. When you're in the A-Town, crime is always around the corner. Check out this guy. There's this new scam going on where a guy asks a girl for her phone number, and then he takes her phone, and then he gets access to her CashApp or Venmo account, and then cleans her account out. This is what happened in this video. Check out this guy. He acts like he wants her friend's phone number. He takes the phone, gets access to her Cash App, and then runs off. He cleaned her account out for thousands of dollars. Beware of this scam.
Alright, what's the Cash App?
Yo!
A female porch pirate covers herself in some tarp as she covers up a big package. Did you notice the Atlanta police officer driving by? He didn't even notice this porch pirate selling this large packet using a Walmart shopping cart. Sometimes crime happens right under the police's nose. She walks off. A peeping Tom is spotted, looking into a woman's window. She says this isn't the first time he's been looking through her windows either. This guy looks like a real creep and he needs to pull up his pants. This guy looks like a real creeper. A suspicious man is seen with a handgun. On another side of town, gunshots are heard. And 3 males run off. A regular night in Atlanta, Georgia. A neighbor is pretty frustrated because somebody keeps doing donuts in his cul-de-sac. Sounds like it could be a Hemi or something like that. On the south side, in Riverdale, 2 suspects are seen walking inside a man's home. They leave with looks like a shoebox and run off. The homeowner is offering a reward for any information leading to the arrest of these suspects. Here's some footage of some creeps walking up to a car. They try to break in. One of them is armed. The homeowners look out the window, and the thieves point a gun at the homeowner. They break the window. They get inside the car and steal some things. Here's a thief who has a gun in his hand to steal cleaning supplies. Good luck with that Windex, buddy. A white Dodge Charger is stolen from someone's parking lot. Apparently the thieves broke the window, put the car in neutral, and pushed it out the driveway. They then used another stolen car to push the car down the street, I suppose while they figure out how to finish stealing the car and getting it started. This was all caught on the homeowner's Ring doorbell. Check out this creep. He's snooping around this house. It's 4 in the morning, by the way. This guy's up to no good. Looks like he's looking through the front door, trying to get a visual. Looking around. His face is clearly seen on the camera. A lot of these thieves don't realize that the minute they walk in front of the Ring doorbell, they're being recorded. I don't know what this guy is up to, but don't come knocking at my door at 4 in the morning. Creepy.
Aloha!
This guy is seen trying to kick down someone's door. He appears to be somewhat intoxicated, and he may be at the wrong house.
Red, where you at? Red.
He obviously thinks this is the right house he's at. I don't know what this guy's issue is. He comes back for a second round of kicking.
Aquí estamos.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.